Starting the game with a popular movie, Inception, to get initial feedback on type, year, rating, and genres. I am also clicking the accept button to dismiss the cookie banner. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with an up arrow, so the target is newer than 2012. Rating is red with a down arrow, so the target rating is lower than 8.3. Genres show action is green, while adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actors and directors show no overlap. Constraints, movie, released 2013 or later, rating 8.3, action genre no adventure/sci-fi. Target medium is movie type card is green for Inception. Year is red with an up arrow, so target is 2012. Rating is red with a down arrow, so target is 8.3. Genre has action green, but not adventure or sci-fi. I will guess John Wick 2014, action/crime/thriller, 7.4 rating to test these constraints and get more genre/actor overlaps. Type card is green for John Wick, Chapter 4 movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is red with a down arrow, so target is older than 2023. Rating is yellow with an up arrow, so target rating is between 7.7 and 8.1. Genres show action is green, while crime and thriller are gray. Actors and directors show no overlap. Constraints, movie, released before 2023, rating 7.7-8.1, action genre no crime/thriller. Target medium is movie type card is green. Year is red with a down arrow, so target is older than 2021. Rating is yellow with an up arrow, so target rating is between 7.7 and 8.1. Genre has action green, but not crime or thriller. I will guess Dunkirk 2017, action/drama/history, 7.8 rating to test these constraints. Type card is green for Dunkirk movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is green, so the target was released in exactly 2017. Rating is yellow with an up arrow, so the target rating is between 7.9 and 8.3. Genres show action is green, while drama and history are gray. Actors and directors show no overlap. Constraints, movie, released in 2017, rating 7.9-8.3, action genre no drama/history. Target medium is movie type card is green. Year is exactly 2017. Rating is between 7.9 and 8.3. Genre has action, but not drama, history, adventure, sci-fi, crime, or thriller. This is a very restrictive set of genres. I will type 2017 to browse the dropdown for a highly rated 2017 action movie that fits these constraints, such as an animation/action/comedy or action/fantasy. Type card is green for Kimi no Na wa movie, so target medium equals movie. Year is green same. Rating is yellow with a down arrow, so target rating is between 7.9 and 8.3. Genres show drama is green, while animation and fantasy are gray. Actors and directors show no overlap. Constraints, movie, released in 2017, rating 7.9-8.3, drama genre no animation/fantasy. Target medium is movie type card is green. Year is 2017. Rating is between 7.9 and 8.3. Genres include action and drama. I will guess Logan 2017, action/drama/sci-fi, 8.1 rating to test these constraints and potentially reveal actors or directors. We got it. The target was Logan, solved in 5 guesses. Pinning down the exact year 2017 and the high 8.1 rating alongside the action and drama genres made it clear.